Hello everyone. So today we are going to take a look at one interesting project on GitHub. It's called as pafish. This is basically if you have set up VMware or whatever virtual machine, it will try to detect if there are any traces of values that would indicate whether it is a VM or not. This is generally used by a lot of malwares. So when you are trying to do malware analysis, you want to remove all the traces of uh, values that indicate that uh, the machine where you are running malware is a VM, right? Because the malware could be doing something different when it finds that it is running in a VM. So this is basically called as a paranoid fish. You can go to Ortega PA fish. If you search on Google for PA fish, this should be the first page that you should basically find. Once you go there, just go to releases, and you will find the exe files here. You can use the pafish.exe or pafish64.exe. Nowadays, most of the OS are 64-bit, so you can basically download any of those. I have downloaded pafish64.exe. When you download it, mostly your browser as well as the antivirus will complain about it, and probably it can flag it as a virus because of the kind of things that it does. But that's okay. You can still go ahead and download it, and then you can run it. Since this could take a little bit of time, so I have already run this for you, and I will show you what it tries to do and how it tries to search for whether it is running in a VM or on a actual physical machine. Also note that it generates a lot of logs that you can look at, specifically the pfh.log, and it will tell you what are the traces that it found indicates that this is a VM or a physical machine. Now, the kind of things that it checks is basically it tries to see whether your mouse is present or not, mouse speed, mouse click activity, so on and so forth. And then it also checks for CPU time step counters, CPU ID features, and then number of processors, how much disk size you have, uh, and so on and so forth, right? It also looks at your registry keys to see if any traces of VirtualBox or VMware or Hyper-V, any of those, right? So it can as you can see that it didn't find anything related to VBox, but it definitely found a lot of things for VMware, which is where I am running this VM. So if you are really looking to see if you can if you are really trying to do a malware analysis, probably this is something that you would like to first run and see whether the malware will be able to find out whether it is running in a VM or not, so that you can fix all these issues and then run the malware, so it is not able to figure out whether it is running in a virtual box or not. That's all for today. Thank you.